Britons have a secret love affair with sandwiches, but lately a new fling is shaking things up. Meet the rising star of lunch, meal replacement drinks. Time is money, and the average Brit spends less than 33 minutes on lunch. Meet the meal replacement drink, the liquid lunch that's enter brands like Huel and yfood, bringing efficiency and surprisingly style to your midday meal, redefining how Britons do midday meals. Huel, a homegrown brand, has exploded in popularity. It's cheap, convenient, and packs a nutritional punch. From gym enthusiasts to busy professionals, everyone's joining the shake revolution. And with the global market hitting $14 billion, this isn't just a fad, it's big business. So is this the end for sandwiches? Probably not. But for a growing number of Brits, meal replacement drinks are becoming more than just a convenience. Team shake or team sandwich? As a consumer, would you choose the convenience of a meal replacement drink or stick with the classic sandwich? As a business, how do you view this competition? Are meal replacement drinks a passing trend or a long-term shift in eating habits? And as an investor, would you back this $14 billion market? Let us know where you stand. Whether you're eating or sipping, we're here to break down the business trends shaping your world. Subscribe to Talking Finance for more.